Check, check, 1, 2. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. And I had to itch my nose, so we got to start over. It kind of mildews like an old dish rag. And I don't remember the rest of it. Welcome to mechanical... Nope. Check, check, 1, 2.
Check, check, 1, 2.
And this is my assistant and granddaughter, Mayhay. Now, Mayhay, I got a question for you.
Yeah?
Does your mommy drive slow or fast?
In between?
Okay, you got to cut it. Okay. So I hope this is helpful for you today. And so thanks for watching. And until next time, safe travels to you. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to reshoot it now. And thirdly, I forgot what I was gonna say.